Hello guys, my name is Karthik and welcome to Card Sport. In this video, we explore string in Java from creation and immutability to use string buffer, string builder, and string tokenizer with Card Sport. Now move on next slide. What is a string in Java? String string in Java are immutable. Once create once create their value cannot be changed. That means a string is a sequence of character like hello. In Java, strings are mutable. That means once you create a string, you cannot change content. The below example to understand. S1 is hold hello and S1 dot concat paste world. It's create a new string but does not change S1, and its system.out.print is a show the output of S1 and its output is hello. That is because S1 remains a hello because string does not change, and concat create a new string but does not change or modify S1. Now, next slide. Why are string immutable? First, security purpose, caching and performance purpose, and last, thread safety. Strings security. Strings are used in sensitive operation like file path, URL, and immutability to prevent unaccepted change. That means prevent unauthorized modification. Second one is catching and performance. Catching and performance. String lateral are stored in a string pool, and immutability allow reuse without risk. That means reuse safety from the string pool. Third, thread safety. Multiple thread can use the same string without synchronization since it cannot be changed. Nothing but safety for multiple thread access without synchronization. That's reason two strings are mutable. These three uh, three property security, catching, performance, and phrase safety. That reason two string are immutable, and each property is very good and useful. Now we move on next slide. Show this example. These are two ways to create a string in Java. Method 1 and method 2. Using a lateral and using the new keyword. str1 is toward a string pool. str1 is toward a string pool, and str2 is toward a memory. That means heap memory. Now we'll be move on. What is string pool? In Java, the string pool is a memory area in the heap where string lateral are stored. Java check if the same string already exist and reuse it, and how it works in the below. And why use string pool? Memory's efficiency and performance boost. In memory efficiency, avoid to creating duplicate string object, and performance boost in reusing a string is a faster than creating new ones. That reason the string pool is used. Now we move on, and it's a string pool example. String s1 Java and string s2 Java. Okay, and system.out.print s1 double equal to s2 are both a Boolean operation, are both are perform a Boolean action. That reason its output is true, because Java equal to Java, Java double equal to Java is true. Both refer a same object in the pool. Okay, and what if use a new keyword, a string s3 equal to new string Java. Okay, this create a new object in the heap memory. This create a new object in heap memory, even if Java is already exit the pool. That reason s1 double equal to s2 are a final output is false, because different object. Now we move on second mutability string builder and string buffer. First one is a string builder or synchronize. It's fast and used in a single threaded app. And second with the string buffer, synchronize, slower and thread safety. And this the below example, string builder, and SB is a name of object, and new keyword string builder and is hold a hello, and SB is a name of object, it's open a white paste world, and its the last output is hello world. Okay, now we move on second slide, string tokenizer. String tokenizer, it's used to break a string into tokens. That's below a example you understand. String tokenizer, and s st is a object name and new keyword, and string tokenizer is contain a Java font, and we use a while loop. St dot has a more tokens, and under a system.out.println st dot next token, and its output is a Java is and fun. An important point is each word is print on new line. Each word is print on new line, because string tokenizer split a new string by default white space, that space tag. Now we move on next slide. Brief information about uh, what how to uh, create a string uh, in Java. First method is str1 and str2. Both are string, but both are print a same text. They are stored different in memory. str1 is from string pool, and str2 is a new object. But you know about different method will be assigned, but same text, hello and hello, both are same. That reason the both are print the same text. Now uh, recap and tips. String is a immutable. You know about string mutable. Once you create a string, do not does not change does not change after in string, and use a string builder and string buffer for modifying string. And last, using a string tokenizer to split a string easy. And this the table show a difference between of string builder and string buffer in Java. Firstly, string builder is mutable, not thread safety, faster, and best for single-threaded environment and packages land. Also, string buffer is mutable and thread safety, slower, and best for multi-threaded environment. That's about a string in Java. Thanks for watching. Got any question? Drop them in comment. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Java tutorial with Card Scope. Thank you guys.